Alright, my son's going to try to set the record for the state of Maine of the fastest person ever to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let's see if he can do it under a minute. I'm going to start the stopwatch when he is ready. On your mark, get set. On your mark, get set, go. I don't think he's got one side yet. The pressure is on. No, I still don't see one side yet. He's almost got he's got the black. He's got one side. It took him 28 seconds to do that. I think he's almost done. I can tell when he's going faster and faster. Is he going to do it in under a minute? We're 41 seconds into it. I can see a smile on his face. He might be able to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, can he do it? Can he do it? 54, 55, 56, 57, 50. It was a minute. Don't be sad. Oh, did you do it? Right there. 1 minute and 11 seconds, point 22. Might have taken me a second to do it, to hit the button. Congratulations. Good job. Can you do it any faster?